So FluMist is an intranasal vaccine. It's a fine spray that is squirted up each nostril. Traditionally, flu vaccines have been an injection, but for children in Australia this year, there will be an intranasal vaccine available, providing robust protection against flu for that season. The FluMist program is delivered to children 2 to under the age of 12, and an injectable vaccine is available to other age groups. It doesn't hurt. In fact, it's very well tolerated in children, and that's why we've moved to the intranasal vaccines. Many parents have told us they don't like needles associated with flu vaccines, and so this is a great opportunity for a needle-free, painless approach to flu protection. If your child sneezes immediately afterward, I would not be worried. There is sufficient dose within the vaccine to still have an impact. The FluMist vaccine is best to have before the flu season. So in Australia, for most Australians, that's the winter time. In Western Australia, we normally start seeing flu activity in late May, June and July. So April and May is the best time to get a flu vaccine. Every year we get hundreds of children admitted to hospital with influenza, and sadly each year we get child-related flu deaths. And so that's why we're really stressing the importance of influenza vaccine for children and the whole population.